How's it going, everyone? My name is Spraychelangelo, and for those of you who are watching for the first time, this channel is all about spray painting, and today I have another superhero for you guys, but it's not going to be Marvel this time. Before we dive into this video any further, I just want to give a quick shout out to Awesome I Am for requesting me to do this spray painting. I enjoyed every minute of it, and I really hope you like this, so this is for you, Awesome I Am. So yes, once again, I'm going to be making Superman, which is a DC superhero, not a Marvel superhero. It took me at least 5 different tries to complete this painting. I got so frustrated, but I'm glad I pushed through with it, which is why it kind of took me so long to make. I had a different idea in mind than the painting that you're seeing in this video. In the other attempts, I was trying to capture Superman's full body from head to toe, but in this video, I only was going to be spray painting half of his body, which made everything so much easier. Besides, I didn't even know what background to use for the other idea that I had in mind, but in this spray painting, I decided to put Metropolis in the bottom of Superman. So yes, it all worked out perfectly. But anyways, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like it, make sure you hit that like button. And if you guys are visiting my channel for the first time, or if you've already visited my channel previously in the past, and you like this content, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If there's anything that you guys wish for me to make I make landscapes, silhouette spray paintings, planets and galaxies. The only thing I don't make are portraits, so keep that in mind. But if there's anything that you guys want me to make for you, leave in the comments down below what you guys want me to make, and I'll put your request in the request form. Also, share with your friends and family. That would help me out a lot, you guys. And one more thing, make sure you click that notification bell to get notified for every video that I'll be making in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's get to spray painting.
Let's get painting, guys.
signing it on the other side because a freaking bug landed right on top of it, so. Alright, that about does it for this painting. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like it, make sure you hit that like button. Once again, if any of you guys have already visited my channel, or if you are visiting my channel for the first time and you like this content, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also, if there is anything that you guys want me to make make sure you leave in the comments down below what you guys want me to make for you, and I'll make sure to put your requests on the request form. Remember, the only thing I don't do are portraits for the time being. Share with your friends and family. That would help me out a lot, you guys. And one more thing, make sure you click that notification bell to get notified for every video that I'll be making in the future. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next spray painting video.